Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn standard 3rd subject environmental science. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter number 4, that is directions. It is difficult to understand the location of an object based on answer like on the right, on the left, in front of or behind. It is understand the location of an object with the help of direction, means it is in north side, south side, east side or west side. There are 4 major directions. They are east, west, north and south. These 4 are major directions. The direction, how we identify? The sun rises in east side and sunset in west side. Always remember that the sun rises in east side and sunset in west side. If we are standing facing in east side, then west is our behind us and north is our left and south is our right side. If we are facing east side, then our behind side is west and north is our left and south is our right side. So these are 4 major directions and we are identifying them by sunrise, that is east side, sunset, that is west side. Next point is a compass is used to determine the directions. The magnetic needle in a compass always lies in north and south direction. Whenever you observe a compass, magnetic compass, the needle of this magnetic compass always indicating the north and south direction. Then we see the directions are always shown in a map in arrow. A map always point to the north. Whenever you observe any map, then a arrow is indicating the north side. This arrow is indicating the north side. The earth is called the world. There are many continents and oceans on the earth. The earth is also called as world. And this is made up with 7 continents. They are Africa, Asia, North America, Europe, Antarctica, South America and Australia. These are 7 continents and 4 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The world is made up with oceans and continents. There are many countries in each continent. This is our Asia continent, and in our Asia continent there are so many countries, and from this the Asia is made up with these all countries. For example, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Mongolia, Russia, South Korea, North Korea, Japan. There are so many countries are included in our continent. Each country is made up with several states. This is our India. India too made up with several states and union territories. In our India there are 28 states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Likewise there are 28 states and 8 union territories. India is made up with 28 states and 8 union territories. We live in the state of Maharashtra and each state is made up with several districts. In our Maharashtra there are 36 districts like Pune, Ahmednagar, Nashik, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Satara, Sangli, Solapur. There are 36 districts are in our Maharashtra and we are live in Pune district. Each district is made up with several talukas. In each district they made up with several talukas. In our Pune district there are 13 talukas and we are live in Purandar taluka. And each taluka is made up with several cities, villages and settlements. In each taluka that is made up with several cities and villages and settlements. Symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in map. A list of these symbols, signs, shades of colors, etc. given along with the help of map is called an index. An index helps us to read the map. Here the continent of world map is given, and here the index is given. Here in index the colors are used. For example, green color is indicating Africa continent, red color is indicating Asia continent, yellow color is indicating North America continent, purple color is indicating Europe continent, white color indicating Antarctica continent, orange color indicating South America continent, and pink color is indicating Australia continent. Means the colors, signs, symbols, they are used to read the map. With the help of this index we can read the map. In this way we once again revise the important points from this topic. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number 1. Write the answers in one sentence. First, what do you mean by index? Answer: symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in map. A list of these symbols is called the index. Question number 2. What is map? Answer: the map is a flat drawing of different parts of an area. Number 3. What do we make use of to determine the east? Answer: we make use to the sun to determine the east. Number 4. Which is the direction opposite to the north? The south is the direction which opposed to the north. Number 5. Which direction does the magnetic needle show? Answer: the magnetic needle shows the north and south directions. Number 6. What is continent? Answer: a vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Number 7. What is an ocean? Answer: salty water occupies the surface of earth. This part is called as ocean. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. First, there are dash dash main direction. Answer: there are 4 main directions. Question number 2. Dash dash the capital of India. Answer: New Delhi, the capital of India. Number 3. Dash dash is the capital of Maharashtra. Answer: Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Number 4. Dash dash is the second capital of Maharashtra. Answer: Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, each country is made up with several states. Answer is true. Second, the west lies opposed to south. Answer is false because west lies opposed to east. Number 3. Maharashtra is located to the east in India. Answer: false because Maharashtra is located west in India. State number 4. Arabian Sea is located to the west of Maharashtra. Answer is true. Number 5. India is located in the continent of Asia. Answer is true. Number 4. Match the columns. First, Asia, India, Maharashtra. Column B, state, continent, nation. Answer: Asia is a continent, India is a nation, and Maharashtra is a state. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in only in one words. First, name your district, Pune. Name your state, Maharashtra. Name your nation, India. Name your continent, Asia. Question number 6. Cross out the wrong alternatives in the following statements. First, the sun rises, sets in east. The sun rises in east, so sets is wrong, or we have to cross on sets. Number 2. Goa is to the south north of Maharashtra. Goa is to the south of Maharashtra, so north is wrong. Number 3, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh is north to Maharashtra, so Andhra Pradesh is wrong. In this way, we are solving the exercise. Do the practice of this exercise. Thank you.